Do you know this one?
What's the red egg for?
Red eggs. You know how to make the red eggs.
How's the red egg?
Red eggs. They made the red eggs. Put too many salt.
They
And-
what?
Many salt.
And salt.
Yes. And then put the eggs with water, and then let the eggs for I think 30 days.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Is it cooked?
The
Is it
the
boiled
salt.
first?
No.
Oh no.
It's just like this, and then
Oh, okay.
they will put in a like that in a can or in a plastic can like
Right.
that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Salt and water, and then let it for 30 days. I
Uh-huh.
think 30 days.
Yeah.
And then after 30 days, you can eat that. The
Now, is
salt
it-
will be the one to cook.
Oh, the salt actually cooks it.
Yes.
So is it like? Does it look like a hard-boiled egg when you open it?
Yes.
Oh,
It's
okay.
little bit salty.
Yeah.
Salty. You can eat like that.
Oh, I'll be darned.